LifePod can be used with and without a battery. Without a battery, the side compression latches provide a water-resistant storage option that floats, is dust-proof, and airtight. Install a 9-volt alkaline battery to take full advantage of LifePod's features and securely lock and unlock the unit as needed. To install the battery, open the unit and locate the battery compartment near the control panel. Press the tab to remove the cover, pull out the wired connector, and clip in your battery. You'll hear LifePod's welcome chime and the keypad will light up. Place the battery in the compartment, making sure the ribbon is tucked under the battery for easy removal. Snap the cover back in, and you are ready to program your master code. Unique to LifePod is the backlit capacitive keypad. You can key through it using quick, light touches. To program your master code, open the unit and locate the program button inside near the control panel. First, tap the lock pad to wake the unit up. While the keypad is lit, press and hold the program button until all keys 1 through 4 light up red and let go. Enter your new code and then press and hold the program button again until all keys 1 through 4 light up red and let go. Re-enter your new code and press and hold the program button a third final time. You'll hear a confirmation chime and the status LED will light green, confirming the code has been changed. Before engaging the security lock on your LifePod, check to make sure the side compression latches are closed down first. This ensures the locking mechanism engages properly. To lock the unit, simply touch and hold your finger over the lock pad for 2 seconds. Before unlocking the security lock on your LifePod, keep the side compression latches closed. This ensures the locking mechanism disengages properly without binding. To unlock LifePod, simply touch your finger over the lock pad to first wake the unit up. The keys will light red, prompting you to enter your new code. The side compression latches can now be undone and you can open your LifePod. Unique to LifePod is the backlit capacitive keypad and several helpful LED lights. A red lock icon will indicate if the unit is locked. You can tap the lock pad at any time to wake the unit and view its status, and even check for tampering. If an incorrect code is attempted at any time, LifePod signifies this as tampering. To check if any tampering has occurred, simply touch the lock pad to wake the unit, and see if the status LED is lit red while awake. The battery icon will light green as indication that the battery has sufficient power. If the battery icon lights red, the battery is in need of replacing. In the event of a battery failure, a built-in micro USB port can provide power to lock and unlock the LifePod. To locate the micro USB port, open the front rubber cover to expose the port. Plug in a standard micro USB cable and connect to power. In the event your battery has died, you can now provide power to the unit so you can lock and unlock as needed. Also unique to LifePod is a built-in key lock that can be used to disable the front keyway and prevent the lock from being picked open. The key lock is located inside LifePod near the front control panel. The key lock dial can be turned to either on or off as desired. By default, the key lock is set to off, allowing the manual keys to unlock the unit. To enable the key lock, use a coin or flathead screwdriver and rotate the dial to the on position. This disables the keyway completely, so the lock cannot be picked open. This will also prevent the backup keys from being able to open the unit, as a word of caution. Using this feature does not prevent the main security lock from being used, but adds an extra level of security as needed. A tether lanyard is an included accessory and can be used to tether LifePod in place. Simply wrap the tether around an object of your choice, feed the adapter through the looped end of the tether and cinch tight. Install the adapter and close the lid. As an additional safeguard, a steel security cable is included with one of LifePod's accessory kits. LifePod provides many weather-resistant properties against water, dust, and is even airtight thanks to a well-engineered shell integrated with a rubber gasket. If you know your LifePod is encountering rough conditions, always check to make sure the main seal channel is clean and free of any debris. Also, always make sure the front rubber cover is pressed in firmly. This ensures there is no point of entry outside the main seal. Keeping these quick tips in mind will ensure your LifePod's interior stays high and dry.